Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Um, I have some flowers. Let's see. All right, first I'm gonna start with this one. Here on the left, we have one of my many lipstick plants, Eschenanthus. This one is the purple star, but it's variegated. Of course, they tend to lose the variegation, and I do not know why. Let me see if I can find a leaf that has... I can't really find it. But anyway, the main reason I wanted to show you this is because of the flowers. Very interesting, cool looking flowers. Now, even though this is called a lipstick plant, it doesn't have the same sort of lipstick look when it's starting to getting ready to bloom. It doesn't have the big lipstick holder, I guess you could say. But it is in the same genus, same family. So you can see flowers are very interesting, and obviously they look like they are mostly pollinated by birds, hummingbirds. They have the long tubular flower that they use their long beak to get into. So yeah, interesting. This one has been in water culture for a very long time. It's got a whole nice set of roots in there. It is a little bit sunburned because I have it in a south-facing window. It's only it's like 2 feet away, 3 feet away. But you can see some of the leaves get a little bit sunburned. Sometimes they get dark, but these tend to get a little yellowish. But it's thriving and doing well. I hadn't fed it all winter with my fertilizer, so I just recently gave it some orchid fertilizer in the water. So it is doing well, and it's got some flowers. So we got 2 on this one here, and 1 there. Really interesting. Not very showy, but this variety is not known for being showy, but it is kind of cool. Whenever they flower, I feel like, okay, they're happy. So the other thing I want to show you is I don't have many Columneas. These are in the same family as lipstick plants, which is the Gesneriate family, same as the African violets and the Epicea. I have a Columnea here that I've had for quite a while in water culture, and I just kind of kept it, you know, kind of away from other things and on its own, not getting too much light. It's maybe 2 feet away from a north-facing window, so it's not really getting the light that it needs if I want it to bloom. I'll probably move it because I'm just curious. I haven't seen the flowers on this one yet, but I wanted you to see how beautifully long this plant has grown. Now, this one is Columnea, and it was a gold heart, which is a variegated with yellow in the middle of the leaves, but it reverted, and I bought it reverted because I liked it, and it was on sale because it reverted. I just thought it was really cool. And reverted or non-variegated plants tend to be a little more vigorous in their growth, so I was happy about that, and it did not disappoint. Let me back up a little so you could see. It's got all of these tendrils. And again, it is in water culture since I got it. The roots are doing great. I recently just cleaned up the vase because it was full of algae. Plant didn't seem to mind, but I didn't want it to get suffocated in any way. So yeah, it's doing great. This one also recently got some orchid fertilizer. And as you can see here, you can't really see, there it is, Columnea. It's a reverted gold heart from the supplier. And yeah, so another plant, same family, but another plant that does extremely well in water culture, which is one of my favorite growing methods, is the Columnea, the goldfish plant they call it, because the flowers tend to, in some of the varieties at least, they tend to look like flying goldfish or swimming goldfish, the way that their petals are arranged, and the color is usually an orange of some sort. But yeah, really cool. And I'm looking forward to seeing the flowers. I'm going to try to get this one to bloom for us so that we could do another video, yet another video. But so we have Columnea and Eschenanthus. Eschenanthus are definitely one of my favorite plants in the world. That's why I have so many of them. And they're so easy to grow, and they're beautiful when they bloom. They're easy to get to bloom, and they do great in water culture, which has saved their lives in my care because you know how it is with watering for me. So that's it. If you have any questions on the, well, now reverted, but variegated purple star Eschenanthus or the reverted Columnea gold heart, just leave a note for me and I will get back to you. Don't forget, if you have not, to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell if you want to be notified anytime I upload a video, and I will see you in the next video.